Honestly, unboxings lately got so boring. I remember the good old days where the boxes were much bigger, and when you opened it, then sometimes was really nice surprise of what you got inside, or sometimes how premium it looked. Nowadays you get small boxes, the device, some papers, and well, at least a cable. I say at least because when I did the unboxing I really thought that even that Samsung has removed. After the unboxing, I have used the device for already like 2 weeks now, so I could have an idea of how the device performs daily and if I liked it or not. So I'll try not to be biased. So starting with the design, I'm not really going to talk much about specs because, well, that's kinda boring. The design got a bit of an upgrade, but for some, well, that might be a downgrade. I have to say that personally I didn't like the squared display of the S24 Ultra, and now a bit more rounded, it looks much better, at least for me. But that's for the display only, because if you look it from the back, well, that's another story. I think that the S24 Ultra looks much nicer, and when you saw someone with a device, you instantly knew that he had a beast of a device. Now with the S25 Ultra, it feels like you have a normal S25, but with a pen. I like that the body got a bit more polished and not so rounded like the S24 Ultra, even though I'm coming from a Galaxy S21 Ultra and that one was very rounded. I think after so many years using it, it got a bit boring. So it's nice having a more boxed shape. I know many will say it's more of an iPhone copy. The cameras on the back are the same as on the S24 Ultra with some cheap rings on it. They make some very good pictures and videos too. Samsung always makes sharp and vibrant images. Stabilization on videos is also pretty good. Again, staying on the design and premiumness of the device, if that word exists, it feels like Samsung didn't innovate enough coming from a beast like the S24 Ultra. The S Pen got a downgrade, it doesn't have Bluetooth anymore, so you can't do gestures. The colors available are way too boring. I got the blue version because I thought it looked the best. The other colors are just boring. And in the black version with black camera rings, it just doesn't look good in my opinion. The display, well, the display I like it a lot, has very sharp colors and brightness is very good for outdoor use. At the moment I'm using armored glass on the display as protection and well, it works pretty well. The battery, well, the battery is okay, it could be much better, but how it has only 5000 mAh, it holds okay, nothing of an wow factor. As for the new UI, I think it looks very elegant and it was kinda made for this device. So I would say that I like it. It's fluid as well and the performance is also very good. I don't like the new notification center splitting, left swipe for notifications and right swipe for the quick panels. It makes it look like an iPhone. And well, I'm used to the old way and thankfully Samsung didn't force us to use it and gave us an option to choose be together or separate. Another option that I'm thankful for it is the side button. Samsung is letting us choose what we want to do with the power button. Usually long pressing the power button was to shut down the phone, then they forced us to use Bixby. Now you can choose what you want to do with it. Of course it's not unlimited and you can also choose what the double pressing is going to do. I choose it for Samsung Pay, which is a game changer for me. I use it almost every day. So with that said, the first impressions of the device are positive but a bit also negative. It's a great device but doesn't feel anymore that it's the best of what Samsung has. That's why we want the Ultra devices, to not have any compromises, and I think that's exactly what Samsung did here. So should you upgrade to the S25 Ultra or not? Well, let me tell you this. If you own an S24 Ultra, then don't do it. It's going to feel like a downgrade, unless you like the new design. And performance-wise, well, it's going to be more or less the same. But if you are coming from an older device like me, from a Galaxy S21 Ultra, then well, definitely do it. Or if you find an S24 Ultra for a good price, go instead for it. You will not be disappointed.